Kung gusto mo lumugo ang negosyo mo this year, gawin mo to. I learned a powerful marketing lesson when I discovered the real reason why this specific painting is so expensive, the Mona Lisa. Do you know na valued na ito at 50 billion pesos? Pero when I asked my friend na painter, sabi niya na kaya na daw gawin yung Mona Lisa for only 50,000. Ngayon, bakit 50 billion ang halaga ng Mona Lisa habang kaya naman pala ito gawin ng 50,000 pesos? Dahil ito sa story behind the product. Alam mo, over a century ago, ninakaw kasi ang Mona Lisa sa museum at nawala ito for 2 years. Nang ma-recover ito at maibalik, doon lalong sumikat at lalong tumaas ang value niya. So the lesson is this: people don't buy for the thing itself. They buy for the meaning or the story behind it. No, isipin mo to. Every time you buy a cake, you don't buy the cake itself. You actually buy what it represents. You want to celebrate your accomplishments. Okay? Kapag naintindihan mo ang totoong dahilan kung bakit bumibili ang tao sa'yo, pwede mong i-tweak ang messaging mo para mas marami kang ma-convert. So if you want to double your sales this year, don't sell the features. Sell the story or the meaning behind why they're buying. This is Fibo Lim, and if you want more content on business, marketing, and sales, follow me for more.